Lesson number chapter 7, Swaraj first conquest. Now, what is meaning of conquest means? An area of an land has been taken in a war. An area of an land that has been taken in a war. जो वहाँ पे war होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Conquest. Now we'll see the introduction of the chapter. What is introduction? In those days, Maharashtra was governed by 4 different powers. Which are these power? Governed by means चला रहे थे. These are the government who was working, doing the duties. Okay, power. The Mughal Empire of Delhi, Sultan Dilshah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and Siddhi of Janjira. Who are these? Again, I am repeating for you. Different powers were Mughal Empire of Delhi. दिल्ली के सुल्तान थे, the Sultan Adil Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and Siddhi of Janjira. And the Siddhi of Janjira. Under this difficult condition, Shivaji had taken both of Swaraj. In this difficult condition, who were ruling over sultans were ruling, then too इनको इनसे बचते हुए शिवाजी महाराज has taken the oath of Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj has taken the oath of Swaraj. There was no comparison between the vast focus on enemy and the handful of Shivaji's Maulas. Comparison नहीं था, उनके पास इतने सारे मावलास थे. Who the Sultan was having so much forces of enemies, so much enemies was there, and Shivaji was having a handful of maulas. जैसे उंगली पे गिन सकते थे हम लोग. Shivaji was having that. But Shivaji's mind was made up of, and his firm resolve was his greatest source of strength. But Shivaji made his mind, no, I want to do my Maharashtra become freedom मिलना ही चाहिए. शिवाजी ने अपने माइंड में सोच के रखा था. शिवाजी had think that only that they will give us हिंदवी स्वराज. हिंदवी स्वराज मुझे करना ही है. Now we see about the next slide about the Torna Fort. About the Torna Fort. Shivaji controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakkan and Indapur. He is to control the Jagir of Pune, Supe. उनके शिवाजी ने पूरा कंट्रोल कर चुका था. शिवाजी के अंडर who was ruling now? Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakkan and Indapur. A hill fort gave strategic support to the ruler. The hill fort gave strategic support to the ruler, and Shivaji decided to capture one of his suitable time. For this purpose, he had selected the fort of Torna. He wanted within a strong fort. He wanted a strong fort to do everything under his control. वहाँ पे he used to do a planning and all that. Where so he selected the Torna fort. So he selected the Torna fort. It stands to the southwest of Pune in Kannad Valley. Where is this Torna fort situated? To the southwest of Pune in the Kannad Valley. It stands to the southwest of Pune in the Kannad Valley. It was renowned fort. अच्छे से renowned हुआ था. Okay, well suited for the defense. Defense के लिए अच्छा था. Defense means what, my children? Military, then navy and all that. For means बोलते ना bombs and all that के लिए रखने के लिए वो अच्छा था जगह. There were 2 strong marches on the way to the fort. A marchi is a fortification of a natural plateau formed on the slope of the hill. Marchi is a place, is a road. It's a road. Okay, you can go from there and there. It's a road. Then there was 2 marches. Okay, how many strong marches were there? One of these marchi was the Zunnar marchi, and the other the Buldha marchi. Zunnar marchi, like its name, could offer powerful defense against the enemy. जुन्नर माची लाइक इट्स नेम, जैसे उसका नाम है वैसे ही वो कैसी थी, पावरफुल डिफेंस अगेंस्ट द एनिमी. वहाँ से डिफेंस करना अच्छा पड़ता था. किसको? एनिमी को. डिफेंस मीन्स क्या? बचाना, अपने को खुद को बचाना. ओके, देन द ओनली टू द फोर्ट वाज अक्रॉस द जुन्नर माची. It is a very difficult passage with high hills on one side and a deep valley on the other. एक साइड में क्या था? हाई हिल्स से, बड़े बड़े हिल्स से, और दूसरे साइड में क्या था? डीप वैली. वैली मीन्स क्या? वन सेकेंड ना, घाट बोलते ना, घाट, खाई, डीप खाई थी. ऑन द अदर साइड, एक साइड में बड़े बड़े हिल्स थे, बिग बिग फोर्ट्स वाज देयर, हिल्स वाज देयर, एंड अदर साइड में खाई थी. इस साइड जाएगी तो भी मरते थे, इस साइड जाएगी तो भी मरते थे. मीन्स दे यूज्ड टू वॉक वेरी प्रिकॉशन लेके उनको चलना था. वहाँ पे अपना ध्यान सामने सामने रख के ही उस पर चलना था. अ केयरलेस पर्सन में इजीली लूज हिज बैलेंस. क्या बोला था मैंने? अगर अपना थोड़ा भी पैर इधर उधर हो गया, इट्स टू डाई. अ केयरलेस पर्सन, ध्यान चलना है. जो केयरलेस रहता है ना, चलो कुछ नहीं होता, चलो ऐसे ऐसे चलो चलो, कुछ नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, फट से वो अपनी जान गवा देता था. ओके, lost his balance and ended his life in the deep valley. Torna was considered one of the strong fort of Maharashtra. Torna was considered one of the strong fort of the Maharashtra. In the fort, there is a temple of goddess Turanjay. What? See now? Torna was considered one of the strong fort of Maharashtra. में कौन सा strong fort है? Torna. In the fort, there is a temple of goddess Turanjay. Okay, so its name has a Torna fort. शिवनेरी पे शिवाजी जन्मे थे इसलिए उनका नाम क्या रखा गया? शिवाजी. यस और नो? अभी तोरना का फोर्ट का नाम ऐसे क्यों रखा गया? क्योंकि गॉडेस फोर्ट कौन सी वहां पे गॉडेस का नाम है? तोरंजई, इसलिए उसका नाम क्या रखा गया फोर्ट का? तोरना फोर्ट. ऐसे थोड़ा 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 से ध्यान देना करो तुम लोग. ओके चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, that is why the fort is called Torna. Yes or no? Strangely enough, this power fort was neglected by Adil Shah. आदिल शाह को ये निगलेक्ट हुआ ये फोर्ट से, उनको पता ही नहीं चला, गलती से उनसे आग से वो निकल गया फोर्ट. देयर वर नाइदर इनफ ट्रूप फॉर इट्स डिफेंस नॉर इनफ एम्यूनिशन. शिवाजी न्यू दिस एंड दिस वाज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांटेड. शिवाजी को ये पता चला कि आदिल शाह को ये पता ही नहीं है, एंड शिवाजी को यही चाहिए था. ओके, शिवाजी न्यू दिस एंड दिस वाज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांटेड. He decided to capture the fort and thus lay the foundation of Hindavi Swaraj from the Torna fort only. So he captured which fort firstly? Torna fort. Shivaji captured which fort? Torna fort. Okay, this is the Torna fort. Okay, children. Now we will see the drums of Swaraj began to sound. The drums of Swaraj began to sound. Drum means क्या? जब भी हम लोग जीतते हैं तभी हम लोग ड्रम बजाते ना, ढोल बजाते ना. With a few. Okay, children, sorry for disturbance. We will see again. The drums of Swaraj began to sound. With a few selected band of Maulas, Shivaji descended into the Kannad valley, swift-footed like the deer and the lion-hearted in the courage. They raced to the top and captured the strategic position in the fort. वो कहाँ पे घुस गए अपना लायन हार्ट लेके? डायरेक्टली अप टॉप टू दी फोर्ट. और उन्होंने पहला जो उसका रहता है फोर्ट का दरवाजा, नॉर्दर बोलते ना, मोटा दरवाजा, बिग दरवाजा, मेन दरवाजा, उनको उसने कैप्चर कर लिया. Taraji Malusare hosted the Maratha flag. उन्होंने जाके who had gone first up to the Maratha fort? तानाजी मालुसरे भाग भाग के गए और अपना वहां का स्वराज का फ्लैग उन्होंने जाके वहां पे रख दिया, गाड़ दिया, बोलते ना जोर से उसको मेन एंट्रेंस रख दिया. Flag at the main entrance. Yeshaji Kank, a trustworthy and loyal companion of Shivaji, posted his guard at important points. Posted his guard at important points पे यशाजी कंठ ने अपने अपने गार्ड को वहां पे पोस्ट कर दिया, रख खड़ा कर दिया. The fort was captured almost without any resistance and the sky was filled with the shout of Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. All were shouting. Yeah, after when they all shouted after capturing the fort, after taking the fort, all were very happy and they started shouting Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. The first battle drums and pipes of Hindavi Swaraj had sounded and their echoes reverberated throughout the valley. कहाँ पे पूरा आवाज घूमना चालू हुआ? घूमना इको हो गया शिवाजी महाराज की जय पूरे तोरना फोर्ट के इधर. शिवाजी नेम दिस फोर्ट प्रचंडगढ़. प्रचंडगढ़ मीन्स प्रचंड म्हणजे मोठं, खूप बहुत बड़ा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रचंडगढ़. ओके, नोन एज Shivaji has renamed the fort. Keep it in mind, children. Blessing of goddess. After conquering the fort, शिवाजी where went? He gone to the. हम लोग भी कुछ अभी पास होते तो पहला किसका ये लेते, ब्लेसिंग लेते? भगवान का. Then he took the blessing of our mother, father. Yes or no? Same like that. Shivaji had conquered first. He has ले लिया फोर्ट को, तो कहाँ पे जाके अपने भगवान को जाके पैर पड़ना गए, वहां पर भवानी के पैर पड़ने गए. Fort Torna came under Shivaji's administration. Shivaji appointed officers such as Maratha Kileda, a Brahmin subnis, and a Prabhu Karkhanis. Okay, उन्होंने एक एक पोस्ट दे दी सबको. Who appointed? Shivaji appointed an officer. Okay, Maratha Kileda, a Brahmin subnis, and a Prabhu Karkhanis, Okay, has a repair of a fort started. A surprise awaited for the people. They discovered four metal pots. How many? Four metal pots filled with the brim with the mohurs. 4 बड़े-बड़े पॉट्स थे। किससे भरे पड़े थे? मोहर से। गोल्डन मोहर्स रहती है ना, सोने की कॉइन्स रहती है। दैट टाइम दो तुमको 4 मोहर लो, 5 मोहर लो, गिफ्ट में, प्राइज़ में दिया करते थे। नाउअडेज़ वी आर गेटिंग व्हाट? अ पेंसिल बॉक्स, ये वो मिलता है, पर पहले के ज़माने में क्या दिया करते थे? मोहर, दे यूज्ड टू गिव मोहर्स। The worker said that this is a gift of Shivaji from goddess Bhavani. उनको क्या मिला वहाँ पे? उन्होंने जब खोदना चालू किया, रिनोट करना चालू किया, तो उनको क्या मिला? पॉट्स मिले। उन्होंने फिर क्या बोला? जो वर्कर्स वर वर्किंग, इट इज द गॉडेस भवानी गिफ्ट हु हैज गिवन अस, द गॉडेस भवानी हैज गिवन द गिफ्ट टू द शिवाजी महाराज। ऑल द मनी वाज ब्रॉट टू द शिवाजी। बोलते ना खजाना मिलता है, यूज्ड टू गेट अ खजाना, यस और नो? कभी देखा होगा तुम लोग ने इन द कार्टून या सिंह खजाने में ढूंढने जाते हैं, सेम लेटर उनको खजाना मिला। 4 पॉट्स मिले, इससे मोहर से भरे पड़े। शिवाजी utilized the part of the treasure. शिवाजी ने what had did Shivaji did this little bit part of the treasure. Treasure means money, to purchase arms, guns and all that, बारूद and all that. Then बड़े बड़े something कुछ तलवार and all that, and ammunition. Rest he decided to use in capturing the fort of Murumdev. Afterwards, what he has to capture which fort? Murumdev. थोड़ा पैसा उन्होंने आर्म्स के लिए यूज किया, थोड़ा पैसा मुरुमदेव को कैप्चर करने में लगा दिया, मीन्स फॉर फूड एंड ऑल दैट, देन आर्म्स एंड ऑल दैट उसके में उसमें लगा दिया। दिस इज द सेकेंड फोर्ट शिवाजी महाराज इज गोइंग टू कैप्चर। फर्स्ट वन इज तोरना, सेकेंड वन इज मुरुमदेव। The first capital of Swaraj. Now we'll see the first capital of Swaraj. It's Raigad, which is the Fort Rajgarh. Pali Darwaja. This is called a Pali Darwaja, Rajgarh. Okay. One day, Shivaji climbed up the hill with a selected band of his followers and took possession of partly completed fort. Possession means वहाँ पे जाके बैठना, अपना रहना. Okay. The money found on the Torah was used to complete the fortification of Murundev. Shivaji named this fort Rajgarh. Again, Shivaji had renamed this fort. Firstly, what I told you. Here, 1 second. See here. Shivaji named this fort Torna Fort. He has named Prachandagarh. He is renaming the fort. Yes or no? Again, now see this. शिवाजी ने मुरुमदेव को क्या नाम दे दिया? इट्स अ राजगढ़. Children, keep it in mind that this is a small thing I'm going to ask you afterwards. This is a Rajgarh. Stone mason, carpenter, water carrier, other workers, all the people got busy. All came and started helping the Shivaji Maharaj, okay, to rebuild Murumdev, means Rajgarh को rebuild करने के लिए. They built the Rajmahal, Baramahal, and the 18 workshops. How many? What they had built? These are the persons. Stone mason means stone को काटने वाला, carpenter जो पानी लेने लेके आने वाला. They had built Rajmahal, Baramahal, and the 18 workshop. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Swaraj का capital कौन है first? It's a Rajgarh. We'll see the next. शिवाजी रैपिड प्रोग्रेस. इसके बाद एक के बाद शिवाजी अपना फोर्ट कैप्चर करना चालू कर दिया. ही स्टार्टेड कैप्चरिंग ऑल द फोर्ट्स नाउ. उन्होंने कितने सारे फोर्ट्स कैप्चर किए, वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. From then onwards, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in the Mawal. एक के बाद कैप्चर करना चालू कर दिया. The whole country knows as a Bara Mawal, the 12 Mawlas. Was overflowing with the joy and excitement. The Patils and Deshmukh from many villages come and sought allegiance to Shivaji. But Mawal had its own share of blacklegs who were ever ready to put a spoke in the fast-moving wheel of Swaraj. उन्होंने पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा, आगे ही बढ़ते गए. Jealous of Shivaji's success. There are some people who are jealousy. Some like that. Some of the girl or a boy is getting first rank. Every year she is getting first rank. And second rank holder is getting jealous of her. उसको ही क्यों मिलता है फर्स्ट रैंक, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिलता है? या फिर मैं कुछ पढ़ाई में कम है या टीचर उसको ज़्यादा देती है मार्क्स. This is called jealousy. Yes or no, children? Jealous of Shivaji Maharaj also same like some of the people are jealous of Shivaji Maharaj. They complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shivrai. उन्होंने कंप्लेन किया शिवाजी महाराज का कि वो ऐसे क्यों है, वो आगे क्यों बढ़ रहा है, वो फोर्ट क्यों कैप्चर कर रहा है, ऑल दैट. देखो हमारे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, वैसा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. The collector dispatched messenger to Bijapur. Collector ने किसको dispatch किया message? बीजापुर ने, and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Inform Adil Shah that Shivaji is getting rapid progress. Why is like this so? Why Shivaji is doing like this? Stop it. Okay. शिवाजी द स्टुअर्ड पॉलिटिशियन, शिवाजी भी स्टुअर्ड मीन्स बहुत होशियार थे, ध्यान से काम करते थे, इट्स ही इज ऑल्सो अ पॉलिटिशियन. आदिल शाह वॉज मोर सरप्राइज टू गेट द न्यूज. आदिल शाह को सरप्राइज हुआ, अरे बाप रे ये कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, ये कब कर रहा है शिवाजी महाराज, उसका पप्पा तो हमारे यहाँ पे कोर्ट में काम कर रहे हैं. देन व्हाई शिवाजी इज डूइंग लाइक दिस, ही इज नॉट वर्किंग अंडर अस, व्हाई ही इज वर्किंग अलोन. आदिल शाह गॉट एंग्री. He asked Shahaji Raje for an explanation. And he asked Sahaji Raje because that time Sahaji Raje was working with the Adil Shah. He was a Sardar in that court, Adil Shah. He was working under the Muslim, but Shivaji was not working under the Muslim. Shahaji Raje got himself out of his difficult situation by telling the Sultan that Shahaji Raje had probably taken over the fort for being better administration of Jahangir. What Shahaji Raje got himself out of his difficult situation? Telling that Sultan that Shivaji Raje had probably taken over the fort for the better administration. उन्होंने ऐसे मीन्स बेटर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए फोर्ट को कैप्चर किया है. ओके, he has captured the fort for the his better administration of the Jagir. Shivaji also sent this message to the Sultan. I have taken possession of the fort for the better administration of the countryside. We did this only in the interest of the Sultan. मैं ये सुल्तान के लिए कर रहा हूँ. He is very smart. शिवाजी is very smart. अभी अगर वो उल्टा जवाब देते थे, नहीं जाके को क्या करना है कर ले, मैं कुछ नहीं देखने सुनने वाला नहीं, नहीं, उन्होंने शांति से दिमाग लगा के काम किया. वो शिवाजी महाराज ने दिमाग लगाया कि इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे. अगर आदिल शाह को ये पता चलता कि शिवाजी महाराज उनके अगेंस्ट है, तो आदिल शाह क्या करता था, उनके ऊपर फोर्स चलाता था, मीन्स फोर्ट वॉर के लिए ये करता था. देर वॉज अभी तक शिवाजी महाराज के पास देर वॉज नॉट हैविंग सो मच फोर्स ऑफ एनिमीज, ऐसा नो मावलाज नहीं था, हैंडफुल ऑफ मावलाज वॉज देयर, उनको अभी जमा करना था मावलाज को, इसलिए उन्होंने ये आइडिया लगाई. देर वॉज नो इवल डिजायर at the back of this action. At the back of this action, the two fort of Kondana and Purandar too had strategic location. Shivaji used this political skill and took control of both the forts. Political skill उन्होंने use किया और both the fort का उन्होंने control अपने हाथ में ले लिया. The next fort to come under his sway was Rohida. This is the third fort he is going to capture. Okay, this was fast work indeed, and there was nothing to stop Shivaji now. Now nobody is going to stop the Shivaji Maharaj. He is going to capture one another fort. एक के बाद एक fort वो capture करना चालू हो गया. Everyone understood the chapter till here? Now nobody is going to stop Shivaji Maharaj.
Today we are going to learn chapter 7, that is Swaraj First Conquest. In the previous lesson we had studied about the oath of Swaraj and
Little voice is coming, children. Little. थोड़ा तो voice आ रहा है उस.
Swaraj, and that he took oath at Raireshwar temple to set up his own Swaraj or Raj. Yes, and in this chapter we are going how Shivaji set up Hindui Swaraj. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Okay, that is Swaraj First Conquest. First tell me what is conquest. Conquest means an area of a land that has been taken in a war. Okay, so it is no doubt that true Shivaji and his comrades took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. But it is very difficult task. In those days, Maharashtra was governed by 4 different powers. Yes, the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and the Siddhis of Janjira. Yes, they were powerful opponents, firm in their authority, no no one would dare utter a word against them. Under these difficult conditions, Shivaji had taken the oath of Swaraj. There was no comparison between vast force of the enemy and a handful of Shivaji Mavlas, but Shivaji's mind was made up and his firm resolve was his greatest source of. Yes, now Torna Fort. Shivaji controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, and Indapur. All the forts in the Jagir were, however, in of officers from the court of Bijapur. He who controlled the forts also controlled the surrounding territory, and therefore all talk of Swaraj without the control of forts was meaningless. A hill fort gave a support to the ruler, and Shivaji decided to capture one suitable time. For this purpose, he selected a fort of Torana. It stands to the southwest of Pune in the Kannad Valley. It was renovated fort, well suited for defense. There were two strong machis on the way to the fort. A machi is a fortification of a natural plateau formed on the slope of a hill. One of these machis was the Junnar Machi and the other is Buddhala Machi. Junnar Machi, like its name, could offer a powerful
Can you
defense
see this Machi?
against
This is
the
a road, small
enemy.
road. Can you see, children?
Junnar
Buldan
Machi,
Machi
it
and
is
Junnar
very
Machi.
difficult passage with the high hills
See,
on
hills
one
are there
side
on one side,
and
no?
deep valley in a deep valley. Torna was considered one of the strong fort of Maharashtra. In the fort, there is a temple of goddess Toranjai. That is why the fort is called Torana. Yes, and strangely enough, this powerful fence against the enemy. Junnar Machi, it is very difficult passage with the high hills on one side and deep valley on the other. A careless person may easily lose his balance and end his life in a deep valley. Torna was considered one of the strong Maharashtra. In the fort, there is a temple of goddess. That is why the fort is called Torana. Yes, and strangely enough, this powerful fort was neglected by Adil Shah. There were neither enough tool for its defense nor enough ammunition. Shivaji knew this, and this was exactly what he wanted, and he decided to capture the fort and thus lay the foundation of Swaraj. Okay, the drums of Swaraj began to sound. With a few selected bands of Mavlas, Shivaji descended to the Kannad valley. Yes, they raced to the top and captured captured the position in the fort. Tanaji Malusare hoisted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Kesaji Kang, a trustworthy and a loyal companion of Shivaji, posted his guards at important points. The fort was captured almost without any resistance, and the sky was filled with the shout of Shivaji Maharaj Ki Jai. The first battle drums and pipes of Hindu Swaraj had sounded and their echo throughout the valley. Shivaji named this fort Prachandgarh. Okay, now the blessings of God Bhavani. Fort Torna then came under the Shivaji's administration. He made a very careful survey of it and appointed officers, yes, such as Maratha Kiledar, Brahmin Sabnis, and Prabhu Karkhanis. The garrison included Malwas, Kolis, Ramoshis, Mahas, such brave men from castes and communities. In Swaraj, all castes and communities were to be treated alike. No distinction made on the basis of. As repairs to the fort started, a surprise awaited the people. They discovered four metal pots filled to the brim with mohurs. The workers were overjoyed. They said this was a gift to Shivaji from the goddess Bhavani, who has blessed with efforts. All the money discovered brought to Shivaji. No one thought of taking anything from it for himself. After all, it was a wealth of Swaraj. Shivaji felt greatly at this unexpected gift which would enable him to pursue his ideal of Swaraj with added vigor. He felt that it was a working under the eye of the goddess Bhavani. Shivaji utilized part of the treasure found in the fort to purchase arms and ammunition. The rest he decided to use for another project which was already in his mind. Yes, and about 15 kilometers to the east of Torna is the hill of Murumdev. Shivaji had eyes on it for a long time. This hill was steep and difficult of access and therefore of a great strategy importance. Adil Shah had actually started constructing a fort on this hill, left it unfinished. This hill also was not well guarded and Shivaji decided to capture it. Yes, the first capital of Swaraj, that is Hindvi Swaraj. One day, Shivaji climbed up the hill with a select band of his followers and took possession of the partial completed fort. The money found on Torana was used to complete the fortification of Murumdev. Shivaji's named this fort Rajgarh. Stones, yes, masons, carpenters, blacksmiths, water carriers, other workers, all the people got busy. They built the Raj Mahal. Yes, Bara Mahal. Raj Mahal means a place from where the day-to-day administration was carried out, and Bara Mahal a living quarters for the loyal household. Okay, then 18 workshops, place where the goods needed for the royal were produced, and Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. So always remember, the first capital of Swaraj is Rajgarh. Okay, now first capital of Swaraj, the Hindvi Swaraj, that is Rajgarh Fort. Shivaji's rapid progress. From then onward, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in Marvel. The whole country was as Bara marvel. Bara means 12 marvels was overflowing with the joy and excitement. The Patels and the Deshmukhs from the villages came to give respect. Yes, but Marvel had its own share of black legs who were ever ready to put a spoke in the fast moving wheel of Swaraj. Some jealous of Shivaji's success, they complained to the Shah collector at Shival. The collector dispatched messenger to Bijapur and informed of Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Okay, they informed that person. Shivaji's shrewd politician. Shrewd means sharp in political matter. Adil Shah was most surprised to get the news. He asked Shahaji Raje for an explanation. Yes, what happened? Shahaji Raje got himself out of this difficult situation by telling the Sultan that Shivaji Raje had probably taken out the fort for better administration of the Jagir. Shivaji also sent this message to the Sultan that I have taken possession fort for better administration of the countryside. We did this only in the interest of the Sultan. There no evil design at the back of this action. The two forts of Nana and Purandar too had strategic location, because that time Shivaji was a man that no one can stop him. Shivaji used his political skill and took control of both the forts. The next fort was came under his sway was a Rohita Fort. This was a fast work indeed, and there was nothing to stop Shivaji now. Yes, and finally he set up Hindvi Swaraj.